Hi guys, welcome to Pakuppaivu channel. We have already posted some videos related to Excel, project management, supply chain, and procurement. If you have not watched those videos, we have compiled those videos into 3 different playlists. The links are available in this video description. Please go and watch those videos. Now going ahead, we are planning to post few more videos related to some more different topics. Pakuppaivu is our channel name. In Tamil, it's known as analysis. Now, we are planning to post videos related to data analysis. We will post videos on Python programming language. Python is one of the fastest programming language which is being used by many of the data analysts across the globe. Python can be installed on your desktop or laptop and can be accessed through Jupyter Notebook. But in our channel, we will be showing the usage of Python through Google Colaboratory. Go to any of the search engine, just mention Colab. The first link what you will be getting is related to Google Colaboratory or Google Colab. Colab.research.google.com is the link. By using Google Colab, you would require only a Gmail account. Create a Gmail account and log into your Gmail account. Then you can go directly to Google Colab. Once you go to Google Colab, the first page which comes to the screen is your reason files. Whatever the reason Python files which you have created using Google Colab will display. One more advantage is Google Colab directly connects with your Google Drive. So whatever the work you are doing in Google Colab automatically gets uploaded and updated in Google Drive. Now I'm just clicking cancel and I'll show you this page. As you log into Colab, you can find this page which explains you about Colaboratory. They explain where a Google Colab can be used. Basically, it works completely based on Python language. Now in this video, I'm not going to show you about any Python language. I will just show you about Colab, how to create new notebooks and everything. Go to File, go to New Notebook. Once you click New Notebook, a separate tab will open on your screen. So here, in this page only, you are going to type your programming. So here the code and text. So in code is what we will be posting anything. But now I will show you this Python platform can be used like a calculator. See, I have typed this. Once you are completed with your code, just click. First time, the Python or Google Colab platform is connecting to a server. So it will take time when you execute the code for the first time. Afterwards, it will just take few seconds to give you the results. See, this is what the RAM and everything Google has been assigned for you. It has assigned the RAM, it has assigned the disk for you to work on Google Colab. So now if you want to go ahead with typing, you can click either code or text here, or you can use here. If I want to add something, whatever I have executed the code above, I want to give some explanations or whatever you want to feel, you can type here and complete it. So the output will look like this. That's what it's shown here. So now going to code 9. If I'm executing, see, Compared to the last time, this time, Python gives the output faster because already the RAM and everything has been connected and assigned. So it will not take much time. The first time, since the RAM, disk and everything to be assigned, it takes more time. So you can able to change the name of your file like this, and you can able to edit also. See, your output will be displayed on the same page itself. So now in this video, we have shown you how to access your Google Colab and make use of it. In our upcoming videos, we will explain you from basic about Python language, and we will explain you about statistics so that you can able to interpret the data. Then moving forward, we will start explain you about machine learning and everything to our channel. So please do subscribe our channel, share with your friends so that they can also learn about Python. So first and foremost thing is, if you don't know about programming also, you no need to worry. You can easily learn Python. We can learn together also. So we will explain you if you have any queries, whatever you are having related to Python, you can post it in comment section. We will explain you about those stuffs. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up to this video. Bye bye.